See, Amarachi, talk about how to upgrade yourself. Not my friend Chike. Chike is a man. He can fend for himself. Huh?
Well, I am not interested in your offer. Thank you.
Even my proposal?
Yes, even your proposal. Everything. I am not interested, sir.
Amarachi, how can I be putting sugar in your mouth and you're spitting it out? Omakazi?
The sugar may expire, sir. That's why I'm spitting it. I don't want.
Let me change your life. You got to Dubai before. Itago Boga $1,000.
Sir, Nkechi popcorn before you came. I would like to go back.
You want to spend all your life buying popcorn? When I take you to Dubai, Ikere gold. Your life will change. Huh? I'm leaving.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay. I wonder.
Look at them.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.